Let's check how the Wu-Tang Clan pizza cutter video is doing. Wow, a couple thousand views. Not too shabby. Time to rest on my laurels. Oh my god, it's January 2019? I gotta get back into the shop.
All around me are familiar faces.
Ugh, well that sucks. Looks like I'm snowed in. I really felt like making something. Let me check some of the ingredients in the refrigerator. Maybe I can make something here. Oop, almost forgot. Gotta take the hoodie off for continuity's sake. Don't worry, you won't even notice. So for this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. A half a cup of light brown sugar. 1 can of peaches plus the syrup. Peaches come from a can. 1/4 cup of molasses. 1 teaspoon of cumin. A half a teaspoon of allspice. A half a teaspoon of ginger. 2 tablespoons of paprika. A 1/3 cup of mustard. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of salt. 1½ cups of white vinegar. 6 tablespoons of maple syrup.
These boys get that syrup in them, they get a little antsy in their pantsy.
And finally, 10 habaneros. So the first step is to slice the peppers in half and de-seed some of them. This lessens the heat but keeps the flavor of the peppers. I chose to remove the seeds of 5 of them. I wanted it to have a kick but not regret it the next day. Pro tip: wear gloves so you don't accidentally touch your eyes or unmentionable areas. Take it from me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Wow, yeah, be in a well-vented area when you're cutting the peppers. It gets in the air and it stings your eyes and it makes your nose run. Makes for a good look though.
Oh, I feel like my eyes have gonorrhea.
After that, it's time to add all the dry ingredients first. Next up is the molasses. It's gonna take a while to pour.
1 eternity later.
Next up is the white vinegar. And then add that light brown sugar, babe. Next up is the yellow mustard, the can of peaches, syrup and all, and finally the habaneros. Now you can use any blender for this part. I prefer a Ninja. See what I did there? Now turn it on and let it go. As the old saying goes, the longer you blend it, the smoother the sauce will be. And now it's time to bottle it up. This recipe ended up filling about 6 of these bottles. Don't worry, you can find them on Amazon. I'll provide a link in the description down below. This sauce improves everything you put on it, such as macaroni and cheese, ramen noodles, scrambled eggs, an old iPod, and of course, other hot sauces. So there you have it, the Graz Habanero hot sauce. So you may be thinking, yeah, it looks good, but how does it taste? Let's give it a shot. I do have some on my finger. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, it's got a kick. Ugh. Woo! Woo! Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh, that's better. It's got a good taste, though.
Got a good taste.
In all seriousness, it has a great flavor, it's sweet, and definitely has a kick. Now, if you make this, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell notification every time you want to get notified when I make a new video. Also, I'm on different social media... Ooh. Also, check me out on different social media platforms, such as this one, and this one. And one more thing, I started a Patreon account, so if you feel like supporting me, even $1, it would be much appreciated, and all the information is down below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Time to extinguish the fire that's burning in my mouth. Oh.